So, here you go. Let's make a salted turtle cold foam cold brew. So first thing you do is you add the flavor. This caramel, chocolate. Now I just finished a bike ride, so I should probably be drinking water, but I'm also a mom of 3, so coffee it is. Next, you can do either 1 part heavy cream and 1 part milk for the cold foam, but I'm lazy, so I usually just use half and half because it's very similar consistency. So pour a little bit of half and half right into the cup, because again, mom of 3, we don't have time. Add salt. So just a little bit, okay? Not a ton. Put a little bit of ice. If I can do this. Yes. Cold brew. I like to just buy mine. You can make yours. There's lots of recipes online. I just buy it. Cold brew. All right, perfect. And then why am I using a cup with a lid? Because I gotta go to the bus stop.